How to upload landscape video on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, click on this plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. And then simply move into option Reel at the bottom. Click on Start New Video. Now select the landscape video that you want to upload and then click on Next. You can see the landscape video has been uploaded here. You can edit the video with all of the features below. But the video will upload the way it looks like in here. There is no any option to zoom in or zoom out. So if you're ready, click on Next. Now into the caption, tag people, add location if you want to, and also you can add audio. Once you're ready to post, click on Next at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, your landscape video will be uploaded. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.